Hi, my name's Dr. Marcus Spry. I'm a dentist in the United Kingdom. Welcome to my channel. Okay, today we're going to look at the heads that fit on top of the Oral-B electric toothbrush. So today we're going to be having a look at the things that fit on the top of this. This is an Oral-B electrical toothbrush, and obviously we need some bits that fit on the top to actually clean the teeth. And they come in a bewildering different range. So I'm going to try and demystify these a little bit for you. You'll notice that this one's covered in a sort of sheath here, and the reason for that is that this is a unit that my hygienist uses, and we use some disposable single-use heads so that our patients can try before they buy, as it were, and they can use these to see how they go along. So I've taken a few of them out, and I'll put them on and show you on this little model how they work and what their particular quirks and features are, which will enable you to clean your teeth properly. But it's worth considering popping along to see your dentist, because they'll probably have this, and then you can try them out, all nice and safe and secure in that this is super clean for you, and this you can take home and use yourself if you want to, but there's single uses. So the first one is the Precision Clean Head, which just simply goes onto here, and then obviously when we switch it on it vibrates. And the important thing here, of course, as you know, is to get this up against the gum here. It's great to clean here, but you also want to be cleaning right up at the top of it. Just going to switch this off for a moment, and you'll see here basically this is for a comfortable clean. It's very easy, very soft here. It's very good for beginners, and generally speaking the benefits of this is that you'll get cleaner teeth and healthier gums. But remember that it's important to have it right up against that junction of the gum and the tooth there, and you obviously need to go all the ways round, here, here and here. Okay, but what we're going to feature on today is mainly the different characteristics of the heads. Okay, so that's that particular one there. Alright, and then we have what's known as the cross action one. The cross action one, as you can see, the bristles are at a little bit of a slope here, so this one would be suitable for children and maybe young adults that don't have any gum problems at all. And then the cross action, you get a bit of a better clean, and it's what they call their most advanced brush because of these various different angles are going to get in some nooks and crannies. So if you've got a little bit of gum recession, or there's a little bit more difficulty of cleaning because you've got some fillings and things, the fact that these are sloping at different angles are going to get in and around the teeth a little bit better. So I'd recommend using the cross action if you have that particular situation. Okay, that's that one. And then we have the Pro White. Now the Pro White is for those of you that are craving a little bit of a whiter smile, and the reason this works is because it's got a little rubber cup in the centre here. I don't know if you recall when you last were at the hygienist and had a polish, but they use a similar sort of thing, slightly bigger and slightly more robust, and that then polishes the teeth. So you've got almost what the hygienist would use to clean your teeth, to polish your teeth, in the middle there. So that's going to go on, and then that will provide a bit more of an effective removal of any stains on the teeth than the regular brushes that Oral-B produce. So that's the Pro White. And then finally we've got the Floss Action. And the Floss Action has these little pieces here, these little bits of rubber, and they will go into some gaps between your teeth and be a bit more penetrative, and as a result, for instance down here, it'll get more into that area there and almost produce a kind of flossing action. I personally would recommend also that you floss your teeth, but this is good if you've got some gaps, some larger gaps between your teeth, and you need something more to go into those. On this particular model we haven't got that particularly well demonstrated, but you can imagine if the gum had shrunk away a bit, then you could get right into there with those more robust points. Alright, so we've got this range of brushes that you can use here, if I get them here, so we just go through. So the basic, then there's the cross action, and then there's the one that has the whitening cup in the middle, and then there's the one that has these sort of little kind of rubbery spikes which will be able to get between the teeth a bit more. And those are the full range of brushes that I normally would recommend, my hygienist would recommend, to go on the end of this wonderful thing. and will mean that you keep your teeth for life. Thank you. Great, thanks very much for watching. Remember, I put a video up every week, so like, share and subscribe for a smile for life.